dad doesn't have eyebrows.
Yeah.
Those are the little ones, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Should we do this before it gets too wet?
Yeah.
We'll just do the back and then we'll do the inside, okay?
Okay.
Oh, we gotta see this. You've been waiting on this.
Yes, I have.
You ready?
Wow. Wow.
We're gonna have to go on the inside. It didn't do much. Let's try one on the inside and see what it does.
Wow.
Forgot to bring the... Did I bring them out?
That's a tough one.
Okay.
Up right down there. Oh, look at the cat coming.
Come on, cat. Coming in? Come on.
Oh, I didn't know he goes out.
He usually doesn't.
Oh, wow.
We'll do one on the inside and see what it does, okay?
Okay.
We'll close the door on it. Oh, did I put it out?
Oh.
Okay, you want to try the 5?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, you got 5 tied together?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hopefully it works.
Shrapnel all over. Here we go.
Watch here if it explodes. Wow.
Okay. It didn't explode like I thought it would. Let's do some more.
It didn't
If he
explode.
lived by the woods and had one of his guns, it would definitely be destroyed.
Yes.
Target practice.
I hear other people doing their fireworks too.
Oh, yeah.
That's 2. Think.
That thing is tough.
It is.
Yes. Yes.
I wonder if it fell over and didn't go on.
Liam, it might not blow up, buddy.
Okay. I thought 5 was easily.
Yeah, me too. I thought for sure.
Let's try 3. Well, I'm glad the weather's holding out a little bit.
Yeah, it started drizzling on my way over here. I was like, oh, let me try to beat it.
How is this thing not exploding? Okay, we're gonna jam a rocket in there. How's that sound?
Yeah, there we go.
We're going to jam a walk in there.
How about this one?
Yes.
You're gonna get rained on now. That's not exploding.
And usually what's crazy is because you don't know what they're going to do. Like, watch at the end. Boom!
Yeah, I'll fill up the box and $5 right next to it.
Boom, 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 boom.
do you know what? We may have to flip it upside down.
I'm trying to relight the dud. There it goes.
Daddy,
Yes.
we may have to flip it upside down on top of a firework.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Oh, good job. Did it even destroy the inside?
No.
That's a little weird.
It's like a durable toy. We'll do a two-foot.
Here we go. That thing is terrible.
It's a tough little cookie. Wow. Here parts.
Yep. It's blowing up a little bit, Liam.
It's blowing up a little bit.
Yeah.
Let's try 3 of them underneath. They didn't blow up to get all at the same time.
The door blew off.
It sure did. That's the only thing that blew off. But they got some loose parts in there too.
Yes.
Yep. Here we go.
Is that all 3?
I don't know about that.
Well, we're about to get rain down. Should we let off the big ones?
Yes.
Okay. Grab some. This might fit in there. Try and close it on the cat's head.
You might have to wait till later now, huh, Liam? Oh, look at that.
I don't know what this one does. Still left the box up.
Oh, oh.
Oh,
Couple good that it's in there.
Yeah, for the glass, yeah.
Or doesn't seem to be enjoying it as much as
Yeah, I was about to say, I already know Holly, she was already starting to shake. Daddy might get a couple of them in there.
This is a bigger one. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
The
oh.
lighter got wet. We're out of fire, dude.
Oh. Whoa.
Wow, that's loud.
Getting wet, man.
Yeah, it is. Okay, what can we
I think it's really gonna blow out truthfully.
Well, let's use up the rest of those M150s.
Yep. Want Daddy to use up that rest of the 150s?
Well, they're getting wet anyway.
Yep. We don't want your iPad now getting wet.
They might have got. Maybe not.
Thank God Daddy's got the cover on it.
Huh. This thing is tough.
Yeah, it's tough.
Let's see.
Maybe we'll have to try melting it.
What?
Maybe we'll have to try melting it with those other things.
Uh-oh. Getting wet, buddy?
Yes.
Daddy's gonna try this.
Okay.
Well, I think I only got one of them.
Uh-oh. Think you got
I think
wet?
they're getting wet.
Yeah, they're getting wet, Liam. Want Daddy just to save the other one?
That's just the
Yes.
lighter.
Yeah.
Oh, I think we're done, bud.
You might want. Yeah, you might want to save that other one. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
fizzling it out.
They're getting wet.
Okay, fine.
Here, you wanna stop it?